Welcome to this session about energy healing meditation. In today's exploration, we aim to dive deep into the realms of self-discovery, self-healing, and inner balance. Energy healing meditation is a form of meditation that focuses on channeling energy to activate the natural healing processes in our body. This practice helps restore our physical and emotional well-being. It is based on the principle that an unseen, life force energy flows through us, which is what causes us to be alive. When one's life force energy is low, then we are more likely to get sick or feel stress, and if it is high, we are more capable of being happy and healthy. Now, let's talk about how to do energy healing meditation. First, find a quiet and peaceful space where you won't be disturbed. You can sit or lie down, whichever feels comfortable for you. Make sure your back is straight and your body relaxed. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle into your body. Begin to notice your breath. Don't change or force your breathing, just observe its natural rhythm. Now, visualize a bright light at the top of your head, a light that is pure, bright, and healing. This is the universal energy, always present, ready to heal and cleanse. Breathe in deeply, and as you do so, imagine this light entering your body through the top of your head. As you breathe out, visualize the light traveling down into your body, spreading its healing energy. This light moves through each part of your body, from your head down to your toes, healing, soothing, and relaxing each part as it goes. Visualize this energy light filling any areas of pain, discomfort, or disease in your body and picture it cleansing and healing those parts. Remember, there's no rush. The healing energy knows where to go. When you feel that the healing process is complete, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. You can gently move your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Energy healing meditation is a powerful tool for physical healing and emotional balance. Regular practice can bring profound changes to your life. Remember, this is your journey. Trust in the process, and believe in the power of healing energy. Thank you for joining this energy healing meditation session. That concludes our exploration into energy healing meditation for today. A heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you for joining us here at Meditation Tips. Your presence truly enriches this collective journey towards inner peace and holistic well-being. If you found this video helpful and want to keep discovering new ways to deepen your meditation practice, please consider subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll receive the latest meditation guides, tips, and insights right in your feed. Don't forget to click the bell icon, too, to ensure you never miss an update. Your journey towards inner peace and healing is important to us, and we'd love to be a part of it. Thank you again for your time and energy today. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.